you know, there's a threat. Uh, we would take it seriously, even if there was no casualty in the sense that somebody got hurt, walang nasaktan. We would not minimize the effects of the bomb, the blast. We are not in a position really to state with certainty now because SOCO is still doing its job, and until now wala pa kaming official report. So we take it seriously as a threat, I said, and it appears to be a statement. May gustong sabihin ng tao, whether it is a political statement or a statement of hatred. Hindi pa namin malaman ngayon kung ano talaga. We are assessing, so we cannot answer questions. Let us see what develops after the investigation. Government is working 24 hours now to ascertain. But at this point, we cannot attribute, or we will not go into a blame game because we do not know. Available statements from the witnesses sa pangyayari. I said, we were still trying to gather evidence. So wala kaming mabibigay sa inyo ngayon. Except, I said, say that we are taking the threat seriously. And government is taking steps to meet the challenge. Ano ba ito? May gusto bang sabihin ito? Is it connected with the political aspiration? Is it connected with the rebellion? Or is it connected with an act of hate or revenge? So we're ready to answer the questions. After that, may briefing kami. The briefing, whether ngayon ibigay ko sa iyo or after, wala pa kasi, I said, wala pa. SOCO, the very least, would be able to produce it by mid-afternoon. Hindi ko inaapura ng apura kasi baka I do not want to take shortcuts and hurry them up. So I do not want to commit errors here. SOCO is working on it, and the best evidence or proof of what kind, how lethal it was or is, hindi ko pa masagot. We're waiting for, let us see what develops in the hours to come, not days, but hours. And we would make the corresponding announcement. Maybe the city police director would do it for us. We were trying to confirm this, but alam mo, 2 or 3 days before, I was informed by the military and the police. Sinabi na sa kanila, and long before, sa Kadayawan pa. But of late, ito dito, sinabi sa kanila, you watch out. There are reasons given, if ever kung mangyari ito, bakit ganito, bakit ganon. It could be also, I said, an act of hate only. Pero they were warned. So ganito ang ano ngayon. Movie houses, all movie houses will be responsible for the security of the moviegoers. Kanila yan. I will not spend time and money there na yung investment nila kasali. Dapat. They're supposed to install now high definition CCTV. They must invest. They must go to, marami ditong security agencies. I'm not naming any particular security agency. They must provide. They must search. Total, yan naman ang usapan dito. Gusto ko straight guys. Kung lalaki, lalaki mo. Babae, babae. para walang masasabi. And they have to look into the contents of bags and everything. Makikita yan. At hindi ko naman sinasabi. I'm not trying to maybe, a lot of guys na nag-retire sa mga bamba, no? They can always be employed. No particular names. But they have to invest. Pag hindi nila ginawa yan, and the police and Villaroman here says that they are not providing adequate, I will close them. Wala na. I will just simply close the mobile houses. I'll revoke the permits immediately on grounds of public security and public interest. And that's a very powerful reason. Pag hindi nyo ginawa yan, sisirahan ko kayo. Total, gumagana ko dyan sa pera ng tao, they provide them with the security. And I hope this will be the last. And not only that, lahat ng malls, lahat ng because pag may nangyari yan, I would be the first to egg. Kung ano yung mangyari, may mga victims and to file cases. Under the law of torts and damages, kanila yan. Huwag kang maglagay-lagay ng establishment dito na hindi mo kayang suportahan ng security yung mga tao. Kung sabihin na trabaho ng gobyerno, it will take care of the nuances outside. But do not ask us or wait for us to provide security. We will not do it because we cannot do it. Simply. Hindi kaya lahat kung maghingi. Bakit nakalusot? Ano pa pala yung mga security dyan po? Because nagtitipid sila. Nagtitipid kayo. So yung ilagay mo dyan, yung marunong pa ng bomba. Saan kunin yung mga tao? Marami sa military nag-retire. Kunin nila yan. Hindi na pwede mga security guard na training mo lang na at this time kukuha ka. This is not to demean or derogate yung mga ordinary security guard. Train mo ng 6 months tapos yun na yun. Ito crash program. If you want training, we'll provide it by all means. Tell us. I'd be happy to sponsor a seminar for 6 months just to ako na maghanap.
Sir, you're asking the people to take this message seriously.
Yes.
How can the people help the city government and
Just to be vigilant and careful. Mga putos-putos diha. And they must insist.
Is there a cause for the business community to be worried?
Yes, they should meet and talk about security. Sadly and happily. In America, gano'n eh. Now we're doing the challenge sa amin dito is nandiyan yung mga CCTV. But what happens inside establishment, hindi kaya ng CCTV ng syudad yan. So, mayroon kaming mga covert operation, detective, they're all around. This is not a brief for the security agencies. But because they are the ones who provide the apparatus and of course the manpower, doon nila kunin. Kung ayaw nila, maybe they're going to put up a security unit of their own and have them trained. But we will sponsor a training for that.
Crash course?
I want a complete education about how it operates and what happens if it explodes. Hindi Manila, the main organization maybe, but there are maraming spin-offs. There are a lot of spin-offs there, yung mga sub-sub units. But I believe, si Monk pa nagsabi niya? Anong sinabi talaga niya?
Wala kami alam na hindi namin gagawin yan. Hindi namin gagawin yan.
Good. I appreciate the statement. But, maraming spin-offs dyan ng branches of But the main organization, if it claims that they do not have a hand in it, then this statement is appreciated. You know, yung police pati military doon, may trabaho sila. And they cannot be diverted. Their attentions are focused on what is happening there. So what's the use of saying na may diversionary taxes? In the sense that we are not, I will not buy diversionary in the sense that we saw additional vendor. Kaya nila yan doon. Yung numero ko dito, nasa police pati military, okay na ito dito. Nobody, what is being sent there as a, to aid or to help. Yung mga diversionary tax is a very poor man's appreciation of what is happening now. Paano kami may divert? How can we be diverted? There's an incident there. We take it seriously. So working on it. Why should we be diverted our attention? O vis-a-vis, Zamboanga being diverted dito. Ano, totoo lang, kung gusto mo rin talaga, then you could have exploded the bigger bomb. Sabi nga ni Mayor, wala. Ayaw ko magpasok dyan kasi I said I do not want to.
Ang bomba mayor is ipinasok ba buo or is it pa isa-isa and then
Whether it was assembled there, that's a thing that we, even General Villaroman cannot answer with certainty. Whether it was assembled there, ingredient for ingredient, iba ang nagdala doon sa Pios, ibang da. I said, that we cannot. There's no categorical answer there.
Mayor, a lot of people are speculating and may mga naririnig din tayo na usap-usapan na these things happen para makahingi lang ng additional intel fund. Is it possible?
Yung ilang intel pa nito mga tao nito. Meron may sarili-sarili kami and you know, yung intel fund is being audited. The next thing that is really good in incidents like this is, do you return as fast as possible to normalcy? Sa dalong madaling panahon, you go back to being normal. Yan ang rationale o rationale, if you may, ng gobyerno. We're having a briefing now, and there are reasons really to discuss and answer questions answered. Nandito sila.
Yes, sir. Following that, is there any reason to heighten the alert in the city given what
Nandyan na yan. Sabi ko nga, nasabi na yan sa, you can ask them. According to the guys, sinabi na sa kanila, bantay kayo. So if that is the way how you give inspection and everything, it has fallen short, considerably short of what's been expected of an investment, multi-million na ganun. Part of the investment in putting up the movie houses will be to provide adequate and complete security for the movie goers. Now, I am now invoking public security and public order and public interest. Pag ginamit ko yan, yung word na yan, you better follow because you can lose your pants here. Sasarahan ko talaga kayo. Ito ngayon, it's the highest order actually of the day, and that is public security. Lives and properties. Hindi na ba yung properties kanina? Lives. Talking of life here, so you better do something about your security then.
Possible man ang i-appeal sila sa security?
Everybody. Nobody is exempted. Nobody is exempted. Even kung pati ako, pati ako, pwede na akong parahin at they can search and I will lead the way. And I would have any qualms about obeying the civilians. Para yung civilians sa Davao, kayong mayor ninyo, nagpapasearch eh. Every building here, whatever, is always included in the police activity. Hindi lang kayo mo, just because sa sine lang. Cars. Yung sa daan. Public buildings. Churches. Binira na yan airport. Doon sa Pantalan. So these are the things that you gather and put it in the memory bank of your gray area between the ears. So dito mo kunin yung ano mo, kung saan ka pupunta. Kaya sabi ko, makikita mo kung paano ang how thin yung police warm bodies dyan.
Sir, kamusta ang next update about this problem?
Well, try me, try us, I think John Villarman will do it for us. Maybe towards late afternoon. Mag-usap lang kami, ikukulit lang namin kung ano yung nakuha nila. We're also, shooting debris kanina, we were having breakfast. It could be an act of hate or a political statement. Kaya nga until now, we have to ascertain yung signature ng bomba kung sinong gumawa. More than that, bakit yun lang? But I do not want, I said, to go into the minds of those guys. Still, sabihin ko sa kanila, ayaw ko ng gulo. Ayaw ko ng gulo. Sana maintindihan nila. Ayaw ko ng gulo. I do not want to start trouble. We cannot afford it.